We arrive in Juneau today and we're going to eat that crab later, but let's have a breakfast first. Third day. We are now at a local bar and grill restaurant.
Good morning.
Oh, we're here. We're going to have a breakfast today. He don't like being in the camera, really.
Yeah, the corned beef hash. Corned beef hash or carninote?
I'm the hash. Eggs over well.
Overall, yes.
And also have the breakfast sandwich, please.
The breakfast sandwich. Any toast maybe?
Huh?
No toast?
Yeah, white just.
The white toast, yes. And also the breakfast sandwich.
What kind of toast?
No, I mean, you do have the corned beef hash, gonna be overwhelmed for the egg.
Yeah, overwhelmed,
And a
actually.
white toast, yes.
Yeah, okay.
And also the scrambled egg sandwich.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yes.
Can she add a fruit salad to her?
Yes. I can never say no to you. Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Okay. Of course, hot chocolate for the cold weather.
Breakfast.
Anyway, she said she wants
This is their corned beef hash. Let's eat
right here.
with Brian says. And me and my husband. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.